Hi guys, and welcome back to RedStone Productions. Today we are reviewing the SA4000 Mk2 version and compare it with the original. That was the very first product that Stam Audio put on the market. In fact, it was also my very first Stam Audio to purchase, and since then I can tell you that I can really trust and rely on the quality of Stam Audio gear. All of the Stam Audio products have been handmade in Chile, and in this case, the Mk2 version of the 4000 SSL style compressor also includes some very handy features, like the high-pass filter on the sidechain, 2 cardinal transformer on the output in order to color your low end even more, 2 additional ratios. We got a 3:1 and a 10:1 that's not present on the unit, and the blend knob that allows you to use the compression on parallel mode. Strap it on your MixBus and you get that instant glue that only SSL style compressor can give you. And if you strap it across your drum bus, you can get the really fast aggressive punch that only VCA can deliver. If you then engage the transformers, you will also get some huge bottom end out of your program material. With the high pass filter on the sidechain, you can basically rely on the compression not being over-triggered by your low end, which is extremely handy. Without this feature, the only way to actually get this sort of settings, it was to use the external sidechain inputs, but now with the flip of a switch, you can actually go in between no high-pass filter on the sidechain input, or you can select 5 different high-pass filter settings: 30 Hz, 60 Hz, 100 Hz, 125 Hz, and 185 Hz. The price tag on the SA4000 Mk2 version is still very tasty. It sells for $1,000 US, and you can get $100 discount if you pre-order it. And you can also include for $400 more any of those 2 additional mods. You can pick up from either the American mod, which consists of 2 op-amps and 2 transformers, and or the British one, which is what we went for, which basically consists of 2 of those cards that you find on the output of the 1073 and 2 cardinal transformer. Very tasty. As always in our reviews, let's try to run some program material through the products and see how they stack up against each other. The SA4000 versus the Mk2 version from Stam Audio.
like a motherless child. Some Sometimes you feel like a motherless child. Sometimes you feel like a motherless child. Sometimes you feel like a motherless child. Sometimes you feel like a motherless child.
Now at this price tag, it's honestly a no-brainer. It sounds and looks extremely well. It has some additional features that really make your life and your work extremely easy and fast. You do have the additional transformer mod, which honestly, it's something that I've always liked to have on the SSL or any VCA style compressor, because it basically gives you tons of low end just with the flip of a button. With this Mk2 version, the Stam Audio team recreated the original DBX 202C VCA circuit from scratch, and it uses two of these custom-made discrete VCAs along with two TAT 2180CL VCAs. On top of this, as we already said, they also fitted in two additional output transformer, in this case Carlin transformers, because we went for the UK mod, and this imprints even more character to the unit in case you need it. We also have another SSL bus compressor recreation, a very good one from Alsmart, the C2 model, which many engineers prefer over the original. Let me know if you want to hear it, how it compares with the Stam Audio 4000 VCAs, in case we can always run another review for you. And of course, if you do want to hear how it stacks against the original SSL bus compressor found in the big large format consoles from the UK brand, just click on this video that we shot a couple of years ago, where we actually compare the Stam Audio 4000, the first original version, against the SSL bus compressor I have accessible at SA Amsterdam. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell in case you haven't done it yet, and till the next time.